Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and today it is time for a new nail polish of the week video. But if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so and become a part of my little nail family here at YouTube. But yeah, as usual, for each and every single manicure that I do, whether I record it for a nail polish of the week video or not, wear a base coat, or at least apply a decent layer of one. I'm going in with the anti-split one by Essence Cosmetics. It's really inexpensive and a little bit goes a really long way. It doesn't really help me out a lot with like not having nails that are splitting or anything like that, or at least I couldn't say because my nails are quite strong naturally, so I don't really have like weak, brittle, like splitting up nails or anything like that. But I do really like it as a base coat because it does give a decent like little layer, a little barrier in between my nails and some very pigmented polishes that I tend to use a lot, so it does help a little bit to prevent any discoloration, and it also gives a really nice layer for the colored polish that I'm going to use to adhere to, just stick onto it and stuff like that. But of course, if you are applying your base coat, make sure to cap off the edge as well, so your manicure lasts a longer period of time without any chipping or tip wear, because if you do a very manual job like I do, you might get some chips every now and then, and it's not a pretty sight, you know? So just make sure that you have applied a decent layer. Then the color of this nail polish of the week video is one by Sally Hansen from the Insta-Dri collection. I bought this polish myself. I actually bought every single polish myself that I'm showing in this video, but this one is called 413 Espresso. It is one of my favorite colors ever that I got from Sally Hansen. I just recently got, I think it were like 13 or 15 different polishes from the Insta-Dri collection because my local drugstore had a really good discount. So usually these are €5.99 in euros, and I actually got like a 25% discount or something like that. So I just picked up a bunch of different colors because I actually hadn't tried the Insta-Dri collection by Sally Hansen yet, and I thought this was a really gorgeous color to show in a first nail polish of the week video. It is very fall appropriate, very wearable as well. It is kind of like one of those darker dusty rose colors. It isn't as light as some of the Dusty Rose Catrice polishes that I've worn like a ton last year and stuff like that, which are still some of my favorite polishes ever, but it is a tad darker. So it's, I'd say it's kind of like a dark dusty pink color, like a medium dusty pink or something like that. It's not super light, but because it's a little bit darker, it is perfect for fall. And as you can see here, that first coat is already like almost completely opaque. It is so gorgeous. I am obsessed with it. The only thing that I would like to mention about the specific Insta-Dri polishes by Sally Hansen is that the brush is quite wide, and I'm not sure if everyone is a big fan of that. Like personally, I don't really mind it. I like that it's quite like a wide brush. The only thing is my nails aren't that wide. So especially for the second layer, I will have like some cleanup work to do after applying that second coat. You will see that in a little bit, and I just prefer to keep stuff like that in, including like the clean up work with a brush and a little bit of like nail polish remover, because we're all human. And even though I have been doing nails, like my own nails, anyone else's nails, for such a long time, that doesn't mean that you can't make mistakes or that you can't have any flaws in your work. As long as you know how to fix them, it's all fine, you know. We're all human, we all make mistakes, we all get the shakes every now and then. I get them quite a lot every now and then. But yeah, it is quite a wide brush, and I have quite narrow nails, so yeah, that's kind of like difficult to work with sometimes. So yeah, I just really wanted to show you guys how you can actually remove any excess polish that has gotten onto the skin as well. As you just saw me here removing a little bit of that excess polish with just my fingernail, wiping off the fingernail afterwards with a little bit of nail polish remover, of course. But yeah, this is the first coat already. I did have a little bit of like a mistake or patchiness on the ring finger on the side of the nail, but a second coat is definitely going to fix that because it is such a pigmented color. It is so beautiful. I really love my rich, creamy, like super pigmented polishes like this one. Like, I love it. And the usual price of like almost €6 is actually still quite affordable. Of course, if I compare it to Essence or Catrice Cosmetics polishes, which are usually below €2 to €3, it is of course double the amount of a Catrice polish. But I do really love their quality so far, or at least for the colors that I chose. I think I got 13 different ones, but I will just try to link the full-on swatch and review video that I did a little while back of all of these Sally Hansen Insta-Dry polishes. I will just leave it somewhere, maybe in the end screen, maybe in the pinned comments, I'm not quite sure yet. But yeah, I pretty much love this color. Like, personally, I'm a big like fall girl. Of course, I just had my birthday back on the 6th of October, which was yesterday, I guess, when this video will go up. So yeah, I'm just full on fall girl. I love my fall tones, and this is just one of those colors that a lot of people can wear. It will suit a lot of different skin tones, and I just think it's quite wearable, and it's very wearable for work or school or anything like that. So yeah, I pretty much love it. The only thing is, it is quite pigmented, so just make sure to apply a good base coat to protect your nails a little bit from staining or discoloration or anything like that. So yeah, here you can actually see me cleaning up a little bit of that polish that I still had on the skin next to the nails. And here I got something in the polish on my thumbnail. I don't even know what it is, and I'm just noticing that right now. I didn't even see it while I recorded this back in, I think it was September somewhere. I can't remember. I think it was like the first week of September, maybe even the last week of August that I recorded this video already. I have like a ton of pre-recorded videos, and some videos that will go up will be recorded like a week ago. So if you're wondering why sometimes my nails seem a little bit longer or shorter than they are at the moment, that's why. I have a ton of pre-recorded videos, but yeah, you will figure it out, of course. Then for the top coat, I'm going in with this lovely one by Catrice. I've had it for a little while. It's the super dry gloss top coat, so it is a glossy finish top coat, but a quick drying one. One tip I would love to add when you're working with a quick drying top coat is to apply a decent amount of product. That way you can actually add a couple of more brush strokes onto the nail before you can actually see the brush strokes into the polish, if you know what I mean. Sometimes if you overwork polishes, whether it's a colored coat, a base coat, or a top coat, and it's already like drying on you while working at it or on it, you can see like brush strokes in your polish, and it's just not a pretty sight. One thing, if you don't want to work like super fast, or maybe you're not skilled enough yet to work super fast, just apply a little bit more product so you have a little bit more time to actually work it onto the nail and have a perfect application. And of course, if you have any flooding, because if you're going to apply a little bit more, you might have some flooding around the cuticle area or onto the skin next to the nails, just make sure to remove that either with like some brush and nail polish remover, or even with your fingernail as well, like I just did. But this was the already nail polish of the week video for this week. So it is by Sally Hansen from the Insta-Dry collection. It is called Espresso. I think it's a really cute color and a really cute name as well, even though I'm not a coffee drinker though. But yeah, I really love it. Let me know what you think about this color. Do you have this color in your own collection, or maybe a similar color? If you have any dupes which might be a little bit more affordable, less expensive, let me know down in the comments down below, and I might even check it out once. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I hope to see you in one of my next videos.